Hi, this is a improvement into the next release, build number 130 or above, on the exports of the CAD files. So now you get a dialog box that comes up each time, and you can change these things per export. There's a reset button if you need to change any of these values. So this is reset everything back in case I change any of these things. You can put them back. We have this additional drawing DXF option, which creates basically a blueprint DXF using these values. It puts them in a subfolder underneath where the VDM is saved, or wherever you export it to, or you can leave it blank and it will put them in the same folder as the other DXFs, and the colors and all this different stuff. These are basically frames. They're a VDM file, just a line or arc drawing with some tokens in there that we replace, part number, stuff like that. We got our logo in there, but you could open that up, save it as another file, and add your own logo, etc. So also we had things like I've put an option here to say, don't prompt about give me a screenshot of confidential windows. It won't give me that. And I can also get it to open up Windows Explorer at the end instead of being prompted each time, automatically do it. The export to takes us to the file directory control, where you can then select the folder you want to export it to. Otherwise, export just puts it into the same folder as the VDM file. So it'll take a little longer because obviously it's doing more work. It's dimensioning, making two sets of DXFs and scaling them to fit. But in essence, you'll get both files. You'll get one in the original folder with normally where the VDM is, just underneath the folder as usual, and the other one by default will be in a subfolder underneath there, which you can then copy easily without having to worry you've got the wrong files. So we'll leave this to complete. I'll pause. So it's just finishing up. All the stuff on the drawing, the blueprint file, I suppose we could call it, is all in one color on one layer. It's doing the STLs, the screenshots. It didn't prompt me to close my confidential windows because I checked that option, and we should be finished. At the end, it will just open up Windows Explorer because I told it to do that. So you can see I've got a dimensioned prints. I've got the same as I had before here, my historic DXFs, as it were. But also, if I go to the dimension DXF print subfolder, we have each individual. Now, in this JetCam viewer, it changes the size of the text, makes it smaller. If you open this back up inside of Opticam, it's all white, and the arrows are on the end of the leader lines. But basically, there you go. You've got your prints you can take out to the guy assembling or cutting out the parts of the laser. That's it. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.